Hello! Welcome once again to Papa's Fusion Pinoy Cooking. Our menu for today is Papa's Fusion version of ceviche. This is a Latin American seafood dish that may have originated in Peru, typically made from fresh, raw fish cured in fresh citrus juices, most commonly lemon or lime, and spiced with chili peppers and other seasonings including chopped onions, salt, and coriander. This version is a fusion of ceviche of Peru and Kilawin Tanigue of the Philippines. Okay, let's start cooking! First, let us put our lime juice and vinegar to our Spanish mackerel meat. The citric acid from the lime juice and the acetic acid from the vinegar will cook the Spanish mackerel meat. Mix it well. Then, add the salt and pepper. Again, mix well and set aside for 5 minutes.
Five minutes later.
After 5 minutes, put all other ingredients and mix it all together. If you are new to this channel and you have passion for cooking, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will give you the best Filipino and fusion recipes that you can easily cook at home and serve to your family and friends. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Papa's Fusion Ceviche! See you again on our next video. Bon appetit!